Hi, we will see today Orappenkettu Waterfalls. Through this you have to go to see this waterfall. Actually this waterfall is not so popular. It is in Thrissur district in Kerala. You know, Kerala is actually known as God's own country in India. So many tourists are coming here to see the natural beauty of Kerala. So I just made this video to have a touch of Kerala, to have a taste of Kerala, to see the nature, or the real nature of Kerala, the greenery, the vegetation, all those things. So this is a very small path through which we had to go to see this waterfall, and it is almost cloudy. You see the plants on both sides of the path. It's very nice to go through this place. The ambience is very good. The climate is also a little rainy. You can see a small stream on the right side where you can find small fishes called paral, and this is like on the left side. Okay, this is the stream there. You see the plantains. The left side you can have traditional Kerala house with an odd on top of it as roof. This is what is that? See, there is a small bridge from this land to that land. It is made up of, can you imagine, this is coconut tree wood. See, the stream is the water is good, it is clear, and the villagers here, they used to bath in this stream and also to wash their clothes. It actually, these streams makes nostalgia in my mind. When I was a kid, I used to swim in this small stream, and we used to catch fishes from it. There are small houses on both sides of this stream. On the left side, you can see there are rubber plantations. It's very nice to walk through this shady area. The trees shade is there. See the water in the stream. There is rock on the other side, and water is coming through the rock also into the stream. It is called Urava in Malayalam. Means the water oozes out, the water which originates from the rock. I asked the lady here in this house how long it will take me to go to this particular waterfall called Orappenkettu Waterfall. She said only 5 minutes. On the way I met another lady, and she told me I will take 20 minutes. So I am confused to which waterfall I am going. But on the way I have seen two small waterfalls which I like very much. There are two dogs there. They used to bark. They bark at me. I don't know why. They are keeping on. They are barking right now. And the same dogs barked at me when I came back also. See the lighting in this particular area. The sun rays coming through the trees, and there are shades and lights all mingles up, and these are rubber plantations. You see. I asked another lady about how long I will take to reach the place. She said 20 minutes. Anyway, I came here to see, so that I have to see something. Even if I couldn't reach the real waterfall, I can have to see. But anyway, I like going through this area, and you can hear the sound of the natural sound here, the sound of the insects. It's very nice to be here. So if you are planning to come to Kerala, please visit this site. This is not so popular, but it's a real worthy to visit here, because we can't find any other person here. It's not an actual tourist spot. Not many people are here, but if you want to see the real nature, you have to come here. I am a Keralite, but still I didn't find such a good place here. I went to so many places, but this is one of the best places that I have ever been in Kerala. I fear there may be some snakes, I don't know. See, here the water is stagnant, it is not actually flowing, but in some other areas the water is flowing. See the plants with the violet leaves. It's very nice to see and nice to be there, to pass through in between them. Nice water. How long I have to go? Yeah, I have reached that waterfall. One waterfall. Very nice to be here. See, the water flows out like small what? Small foams. It makes small foams. Very nice to be here. This water in the stream oozes out through a hole, and it goes down through this rock. It looks like milk, I think so. Down there is a river, it goes into that river. This is actually called the Pipeline Road, and there is a nearby dam called Techie Dam. It's a very big reservoir here. And since it is the monsoon season, you can find water everywhere. If it is in the summer season, all these places will be dry. And I have seen other small stream nearby which I shoot. It's very nice to hear the sound of water going down, right? So this is actually what Kerala is. You can find such places in Kerala. Thank you.